Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to update software in any Realme device. Well, basically, I have Realme Note 50 device, but this method is applicable in all Realme devices. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have option of system here. Just click to systems and as you see, we have software update here. Just tap to software update. After that, just click on install now so that your update will be start installing. Guys, make sure that this process is very long, so it may take some time. As you see, this is loading now. It means it is processing. Now you get the notification of software update, but make sure that your phone battery will be above 50% and you have a strong internet connection also. So guys, as you see, this is how it is installing. Now we are almost done to installing. As you see, it is on 96%. Okay, now as you see, it is installing. Now it's time for verifying. Okay, let me clear you one thing that we have a note here that during the software upgrade, your phone may heat up slightly for a short while but will quickly return to a normal. And software upgrade will not delete or modify your user data. It's mean we don't have to worry about the data. Now, as you see, the version is now installed. All we guys have to do just restart now phone. So after the phone is start again, the Android version will be on 14. Guys, after software update, your phone will take some extra time in restart as compared to the normal. So don't worry about it. Okay, now after restarting, as you guys see, the software is now updated. Okay, see, this is a new update that the phone password comes like this. So as you see, the interface of the mobile is changed and it is quite amazing too. Now go to settings to confirm the update. So as you see, the interface icons are all changed. After that, go to about phone and as you see, the interface of the phone is completely changed. This is how we can update software in Realme devices, especially in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.